Welcome to Tutorial. In this video, I will show you how to fix the low-level fatal error in Vampire the Masquerade Bloodline 2 on your PC quickly and easily.
Fix 1. Update graphics drivers. Step 1. Press Window R, type dxdiag, and check your GPU info. Step 2. Go to your GPU manufacturer's website. NVIDIA, AMD, Intel. Step 3. Download and install the latest drivers. Step 4. Restart your PC and launch the game. Fix 2. Verify game files. Steam Epic Games. Step 1. Open Steam or Epic Games launcher. Step 2. Right-click the game, Properties and Local Files. Step 3. Click Verify Integrity of Game Files, Steam or Verify Epic. Step 4. Wait for the process to finish, then restart the game. Fix 3. Run as administrator. Step 1. Right-click the game. Shortcut Properties. Step 2. Go to Compatibility tab. Check Run this program as administrator. Step 3. Click Apply. OK. Step 4. Launch the game. Fix 4. Adjust graphics settings, config files. Step 1. Navigate to Documents, Vampire the Masquerade settings. Step 2. Open the config file, e.g. Game Settings, ini, in Notepad. Step 3. Lower settings like texture quality, shadow quality. Post-processing. Step 4. Save the file and restart the game.